Hello students, in our last video lecture we have discussed about the introduction to C++. In this video lecture we will discuss about tokens in detail. As this chapter is contain 41 marks in HSC State Board, so we will discuss this chapter in detail. So myself Thakur DN, working as a PGT Computer Science in Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. In our last video lecture, we have discussed about tokens. We have defined the tokens and its types. In this video lecture, the contents are: we will discuss about keywords, identifiers, constant, string, variables, and operators. So let us recall what is token. Tokens are the smallest individual element of the C++ program. Any C++ program consists of 6 different elements, like it consists of keywords, it consists of identifiers, constants, string, variables, and operators. Every C++ program cannot be complete without these elements. Every program must contain at least one keyword, keyword, identifiers, string, variables, or operators. C++ program is made up of all these 6 different elements. So we will discuss all these elements one by one. Very first, keywords. So keywords can be defined as keywords are the words whose meaning has already defined into the compiler. These keywords are used by the compiler, and these keywords cannot be used by the user or programmer. There are 48 C++ keywords. As earlier we have discussed, in C++ we have 48 keywords, while in C language we have 32 keywords. These keywords cannot be used as variable name or identifiers name by the programmer or the user. These are the list of the keywords that are present in C++ language. So for example, if, for, else, double, case, catch, char, all these are the keywords. Like for keyword is used while writing a for loop, if is used while writing on control statements, char is used when we define a character data type, like int is used when we want to define a integer data type, so on. So these are the keywords, and these keywords are used by the compiler only. So next point is about identifier. Identifier is the name given to the different parts of the program. Identifier may be name of variable, name of function, name of array, name of class, or structure, or union. So we will understood this identifier with an example. For example, we have taken int amount equals to 2000. Here amount is a variable which hold the value 2000 in it. So we have given a name to this variable as amount. So amount is an identity of this variable. So amount is an identity of this variable, so that it is called as identifier. So here city is an identity of character variable. So percentage is an identity of variable of type float, which hold the value 87.88. So more example on identifiers, like void main function. In this example we have given the name to a function as main. So main is the name of this function, so it is an identity of this function, so it is called as identifier. In this example, class fruit, we have given a name to a class as fruit. So fruit is then identity of this class, like identity of this class, like any student or any boys can have a name, like let us consider a student name of Rahul. So Rahul is an identity of that particular student. The same way here fruit is the identity or an identifier of this class. These are the examples. While writing these identifiers, we must have to follow certain rules. So these rules are, while creating identifier, we must follow following rules. Number one, the name of identifier should be start with alphabets only. It cannot start with numbers. It cannot start with numbers or symbol or any digit. A name of identifier should be start with alphabets or underscore. It cannot start with digit or number or symbols. White space or blank space in between the name of identifier are not allowed, but we can use underscore to separate them. White space or blank space is not allowed. A keyword cannot be used as a name of identifier. As earlier we have discussed, keyword cannot be used. Capital and small letter alphabet are considered as different. In short, a C++ language is case sensitive language. We will understood all these rules with an example. Consider this example. In this example, we have written int x is equals to 10, which is incorrect. Why? Because here, while writing this keyword, I have written this capital letter. I is in capital letter. So it is an incorrect method because all the keywords are written in small letters. All keywords are written in small letters. So here it is in capital. So it is an incorrect method. The correct method is int x is equals to 10. So the capital and small letter are considered as different. So more examples on the same. See, int x1 equals to 10. In this example, x, this variable is started with alphabet and then we have written digit, so it is correct. But in this example, it is the variable name 1x is starting with digit or number, so it is an incorrect method of declaration. In this example, we have separated the word roll number with the help of underscore, roll underscore number. So there is no any space. But in this example, roll number, we have white space given here or blank space, which is incorrect method of declaration. More example. In this example, name is equals to path. In this example, we have taken a variable name as name, and here we have taken a variable name as a friend. As we seen in the list of the keywords, friend is the keyword. So this keyword cannot be used as a variable name. So it is an incorrect method of declaration of identifiers. So we must have to follow all these rules while writing an identifier or creating an identifier. That's all for this lecture. In next video lecture series, we will discuss in detail about the remaining tokens. Thank you so much.